Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today we're going to pair a T19-2 transmitter to a receiver. It's really simple to do and it shouldn't take too long. First of all, make sure your transmitter is turned on, like so. Next, with the receiver lid off, you're going to use the top function button first. So you press the top function button, the LED comes on, and then you're going to press the select button, and then the LEDs will light up. On the transmitter, press and hold both start buttons and then buttons 1 and 2. As you can see, that has now paired. And then turn the transmitter off, turn it back on, and then press the 2 start buttons. And your device is now connected. And there you have it, how to pair a T19-2 transmitter. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe to our channel. We're going to upload a lot more videos on how to use our products.